What's up everyone? I am Famist. Yes, nagbabalik si Famist kahit wala pa akong post. And I'm gonna be playing Minecraft with my world, no? And that world is very very important to me because it is the only thing na may slight mods. So let's go to my world sa screen. Okay, so nandito ako sa base. Yeah, yan. Yan. So, this checkpoint is from the mod called yun nga, yung kanina. Kalimutan ko yung sinabi ko. So, yeah. Basta yun. Yeah, essentials, yes. So, today, I'm gonna be building bases for my friends' houses, to be honest. So, houses, like right here, may bahay doon, may bahay dito. Basta sa mga tropa ko na mag-join. So, kung gusto mo mag-join, just comment. So, I am here on the side of a mountain with cherry blossoms at the top. Cherry trees. Yes, I have cherries at my base. So, ito makakainis tong ulan na to. I think it's night time and kailangan ko nang matulog. Okay, naglalag yung phone ko. So I'm just gonna sleep. Ayan. Naka full netherite na pala ako dito. I'm not gonna give them gear. No, I'm not stupid. So I have this full netherite. I have my enchanting table. Yan. Pero hindi pa siya level 30 and kulang pa ako ng books. Yan. So, nakikita mo dito, skip lang ako ng isang book kasi kulang. So ito yung enchanting area ko. Yan. Ito yung base, ito yung storage area. Magulo yan. Yan. So I still have books na pwede kong ilagay sa mga gamit ko, but yan, wala mo masyadong yan. Nasa ako nung kagabi. So naglaro na ako nito kagabi. Nilaro ko siya kagabi. Nakalimutan ko mag record. Nakalimutan ko mag record. So yun, problemado din yun. And ano ko lang naman to nakarang araw ko lang naman to ginamit. So I'm gonna be grabbing a few things for my friend's base. Ito rin siguro pagagandahin ko na rin siguro to. Kung okay naman na siguro yan. So I have my farm here. Yan. Kung nakita nyo yung post ko sa IG, yan yung farm. And may kulang dito. Kinapakan ng yung villager na yung trader. Yan. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. So, I have few friends na sasali daw. Hindi ko alam kung sasali pa talaga sila. I doubt it. Okay, naglalag na talaga yung server. So, nasa peaceful ang nito. Difficulty. So, mag-aayos lang ako, magta-terraform lang ako dito and yeah, let's start building these places. So, ta-timelapse pa ba ako? No, not gonna give you guys timelapse. Just joking. So, 100% I need more wood. Kasi ito lang yung wood na meron ako. No, that's not enough. That is not enough, bro. These cobblestones, pwede ko siyang i-turn into stones. Ay, meron pa pala akong mga ganito dito. Smelt pala ako, ang dami pala na ito. Yun lang ba yun? Ang dami ko. Oh no. Magulo ang smelting area ko, so just be happy na lang. Yan. So kahapon, nag-mina lang ako. yung mga nakuha ko, yung diamonds na yan, 100% nakuha ko lang yan. So, because I have this. Yan, God tier. Oh my god. God tier netherite pickaxe. Wala lang siyang mending. Kasi wala pa akong villager. And I still haven't found the village. Big lang. So, ito, may sugar cane farm ako dyan. So, just gonna, I think, tanggalin tong mga trees na meron ako dito. Because I don't really need those things. So, is this activated or something? Yeah, it's activated. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm just gonna run around. Yan. Ayokong lumayo sa base kasi nahihirapan akong bumalik. Pero may ano naman ako eh. May waypoint naman ako, diba? Yan. Checkpoint pala. So, mabilis lang ako makakabalik sa base. I could just, you know, build a tree. Okay, this is it. Okay. So, tapos na ako sa pagko-collect. I mean, that's a solid. Solid naman yung pag-ano ko dun. Pagkuha ko. Okay. So, I'm gonna go back to my base now. And nakita nyo naman, nag-best and side quest, I guess. Whatever you call it, bro. Puro, okay. Tulog na tayo. The next day, we're gonna be building my friend's bases. Okay, so may item pa ako na gusto kong kunin. Though I know I just need this thing. No, it's just enough. Bro. I don't think I'm never gonna need more of this. I have almost 3 stacks ng saplings. Okay, why? Don't hurt me. I have 4 stacks, bro. Yung sticks ko, ang dami. Oh my god. So, okay, meron pa pala akong gamit dito. Okay. Nakakainis yung ganun. So just dump it all out here. I-dump na lang natin yan dyan. Bala na po dyan. Bro, do whatever you want. So these things are, I don't really know. I crafted a lot of this bribe. Just 1 stack. Yun lang. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what to do with this. Oh no, admin player teleporter, pwede ko sila i-teleport sa akin or pwede akong teleport sa kanila. So, may blocks pa ako na gustong kunin, which is deep slate. What I don't know is kung meron na ba ako. I need the silk touch, to be honest. Pickaxe. Yeah, I have. So, may silk touch ba ako dito? Para hindi na ako mahirapan. Alam ko may silk touch ako dito eh. No, wala na. Oh my god. Don't tell me I'm gonna be stuck with this cobbled deep slate, bro. Bro, no way, bro. No way, man. Okay, fine. And ano pa ba? Cobblestone? Nah, lilong nito. Oh. Just gonna smoke this shit. Wala na ko spare. Oh my. Golly. So we're gonna be mining again. So I'll make a straight here. Playing in mobile, my mobile is very hard. Just gonna dig down. Okay, ito na. I need a cave or something. Okay, so um Hindi ko to nilagyan ng hoe. What? Oh my god. Bro, what? Oh my. Hindi ko to nilagyan ng hoe. What? What? Huh? Bro, walang hoe sa Paxel. Pickaxe, axe, and shovel. Paxel nga eh. Oh my god. Wala. There's just no way. Oh my god, bro. Gabi na ba? Kailangan ko matulog kapag gabi. Nakakainis yung ganyan. Oh my. Ang tanong, may wool ba ako? Para bigyan ko sila ng bed. Okay, ayan. That's my problem too. I don't have wool. When you need it the most. Okay, so ano yung mga kailangan nila? Siyempre, furnace. Meron akong cobblestones doon. Okay, wala pala. Couple deep slate pala yun. Yan. Crafting table. May crafting table doon. Stone cutter meron. Anvil. Yes. I can just spare them later. Kaya ako naman magmina ulit. Makuha ulit yung mga kailangan ko. What do they need again? Because, sige. Magiging generous ako, pre. Magiging generous ako, Gagawin ko sila armor. Okay? I'll make them an armor. Full set of diamond armor. Okay? That's all I'm gonna give. Give. Not give. No. I'm just gonna do that. Yan. Okay na yan, ano pa? I think armor stand would be good. Okay. Mayroon ako ditong in-smelt na stone. Yan. Kailangan ko ng smooth stone dito, di ba? Oh my god, I need to smelt it again. Yeah. Yan. Yung mga problema sa Minecraft. Kailangan mo ng patience. Kasi diba? Kailangan ko lang naman ng isa eh. Oh my god. Ano? Yeah, I just need one. Okay. Okay, may tatlo na ako. Ay, hindi. Need ko ng slab. So, kailangan ko nga tatlo. O, 6. O, pwede ako gumawa ng 6 na okay. So, just generous. A lot of times. Bite ko naman. So, I'm gonna place it right here. Yan. Wala na siguro silang angal ko. Pak. This. Oh, bruh. Stupid. Sound stupid. Okay, crafting table, meron na sila dito. Furnace, I guess. They do need furnace. Okay, so 4. You can create 1. Chip anvil. Okay, this one. Ano pa ba? Jukebox? Kailangan ba? Bro, mahal naman ng jukebox na yun. Hey, little boy! I'm gonna kill that boy. I'm gonna kill him. That's mad. Okay. I think create 2. This chest. Some double chest. Okay na yan. That's all they need. I don't know. Layer teleporter. napatagal din ako sa nether kagabi kasi naghanap ako ng pang-upgrade sa netherite ko. Yes, nagka-grind na po ako ng maayos. Okay, may bed na sila. Ito yung crafting table, mamaya na natin yung place. Ito. Okay, dyan. This, I guess, here. Tapos, I guess, smoking table, crafting table, ano pa ba? Painting? To be honest, para saan pa yung painting? I mean, for upgrading this, upgrading ng ano nila, yan, then, this, okay, mali ako ng place. Dapat, pag ganyan, pag chest, dito, yan, ibibili ko sa kanila yan, got a lot of things, yan, mga sticks, tinapunan ko lang siyang gamit, okay na. Though, bakit ko nilagay pa dito? Kasi kapag blinig ko pa rin to, lalabas pa rin sila. Okay. I just understand it now. Okay, yun lang. Ito lang yun. Ito na yun. Wala pa yung ano eh. Hindi kasi ako marunong mag-interior. But, the essentials are here. We have the armor, anvil, smithing table, crafting table, there's storage na yan, kinapunan ko lang sila ng walang kwenta. Ito gets naman siguro nila yan, pero nasa sa kanila to kung sisirain nila at aayusin. Pero kung ako sa kanila, ayaw nila ng kera, papatan ko sila, huwag na lang palitan, diba? Joke lang. Palitan, diba? Joke lang. So, yun lang yung door. Bro, I'm so disappointed. Oh my god, this is the first video pa to So, ayusin ko na lang muna siguro to, yung gamit ko sa bahay. Okay. Saan ko ito ilalagay? Dito? Pwede pa itong place? Okay, pwede pa lang yung place. Okay, yan. And siguro next video, aayusin ko na tong enchanting area ko. Yan, de-decorate ko yan. Bro, ang ganda ng build na to So this is a vertical slab. So kung wala ka pang vertical slab, you're missing out, bro. Oh, that's why. Wala akong vertical slab na ginamit sa base nila. That's one of the problems. Okay, so ang pangit i-end ng video gamit ang ulan. Okay, so just siguro ayusin ko din tong itong thingy, itong nether portal ko. Okay, sige. Ayusin ko yan. Next video. So, sana sa next video kasama ko na yung mga tropa ko or my best friend. Whatever you call him. Pero siguro mamaya magre-recording din ako mamaya eh. So, siguro 2 video ang mapopost ko tomorrow or next day. Kasi i-edit ko. Lupit. Wala pa akong pot kasi hindi pa ako nakakapunta ng swamp. So, yun lang. Wala pa akong clay. So, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!